He's like right there. Ringy, you're a brave little guy. Really brave. I'm impressed. So, Mama feels that this little one would win the battle. She's a little wild one.
Me?
You think so too? I'm talking about Precious. I mean, at some point, maybe they'll be friends immediately, but at some point, they're gonna like alpha it, right? Look how slow he's going. You guys, we've been here how many weeks? 2? They're still not. I have a feeling they're gonna be cuddling at some point. Ringy's a crazy one. Now Ringy's crying. Ringy's like, I want to be friends. I just want to be friends. And this one's like, no. Friends. Oh my God. Ringy is getting braver and braver. Precious is all the way over there?
No, like Precious was right there and Ringy was over there.
Oh my God. Ringy, you brave one. I've been waiting for this moment. Precious is like, oh. This is classic. It's the 2 cats that we love so much meeting. One from the USA, one from Ecuador. One a fat household cat, the other one a wild, living in the wild for years. And look at them go. You could hear Precious. See, Ringy's a love bug. He just wants to cuddle the cat. And this is part of the process. What is he doing? This is just crazy. Looks like he just, you guys, this is classic TV. He's just lying down. This cat makes the weirdest noise.
Hello? Hi.
This isn't even bad. Did he go back upstairs?
I guess.
All right. All right. He's playing it smooth, you know? Ringy gave up. He went back upstairs. Until next time, guys. Oh my goodness. We are going into town, and this girl, look at the preppiness here. Flared leggings, Abercrombie yellow sweater, jacket, purse. Oh my God.
What?
It's just like, she sets it, guys. She sets the style here. So we're walking into town here. I gotta do some stuff at the juice factory. You know, they carry my product and stuff. So, that's why I'm going in. I don't know if you guys remember the, hola. If you guys remember the sugarcane field that I used to always film, they're already harvesting, it looks like.
Oh, I think that's sugarcane?
Well, they're just harvesting the leaves and stuff. I mean, that was from like 6 months ago in my videos. I was like, look, they're little sprouts now. But then we came back to the USA, and now we're here. And they're harvesting all the sugarcane here. They're gonna make a killing. It's that cute little restaurant out of someone's house. El Mexicano. Cute little place.
The dog's following us.
Right in town, people hanging clothes. That's what they do. In town. There's the stray dogs down there hanging out. Whole stray dog community here. Horse tour guide. What's that?
Do we ton?